Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be doing a little update on my iPhone 17 Pro. If you guys watched my last video, excuse me, you'll know that I sold the iPhone 17 Air, or the iPhone Air rather, if you want to be correct. So I sold the iPhone Air, and the iPhone 17 Pro here is my main daily driver. It is actually currently my only device other than my work phone, which I do carry simultaneously with this one. So this is my everyday phone right now, and I have been currently using it with no case. You guys know that I did have the OtterBox case, or I do have the OtterBox case, the OtterBox Defender for it, which is actually sitting right here. But after I made that last video, I took this off, and I have not put it back on or anything like that. It's been sitting here on my desk, and I've been just using my iPhone and enjoying my iPhone with no case on it. I do have a screen protector installed, and I have since probably the day after I got the phone, but other than that, there's no protection on this phone, so I just wanted to go over some of the common issues people have been complaining about. And yes, I've only been using this without a case for about a week now, but as we know, the issues that people have complained about have popped up. I mean, they've been popping up since day one, and that is discoloration and scratching around the camera plateau there, where it has that rough edge and is more prone to scratching and having the anodization wear off. I don't have anything like that going on. I don't know how close I can get to the camera and still make it easy to see, but nothing like that going on my device. This phone does go in my pocket with my iPhone 16 Pro Max. So it's either in front of it or behind it. You know, the cameras are going to be rubbing on it and stuff like that from the other device, as well as I do usually have my Clicks keyboard installed on that phone. So, you know, that is, you know, it's in my pocket with that. Second issue is people have recently been complaining about their orange iPhones turning pink, you know, getting discolored. And as you can see here, all the way around, we don't have any kind of discoloration. Obviously, the color does shift a little bit here under my LED lights, but the phone is still orange. It is still the exact same color as it was the day I took it out of the box. And I'm really glad that I bought this phone, this color. Just looking at it, I mean, you know, you don't really take time to appreciate how cool this looks, you know, for an iPhone. You know, we're used to iPhones being black and white, and then they added some other colors, you know, like some darker blues and stuff like that. I'm, you know, specifically talking about the Pros, not the you know, the 17 or the, you know, the 16s, the ones that have come out in more vibrant colors. But the Pros have always been kind of some dull colors, you know, black, white. Obviously, that's not what Apple calls them, but, you know, for the purpose of the video, black, white, you know, blue. We've had some greens, you know, stuff like that, but nothing really interesting like a bright, bright cosmic orange like this. And I really do love this color, like I said. So far, it's been a great phone, but I just wanted to go over some of the overall hardware stuff and stuff like that that people have been complaining about, and just let you guys know how my phone specifically is doing. Because obviously, you know, some people like to hop on the bandwagon and you know, complain about issues to make them bigger issues than they really are. So I paid for this phone out of my own pocket. It's not sponsored, nothing like that. So obviously, if there was an issue, I would let you guys know. So I just wanted to update you guys on how it is. I will be doing some reviews on the other Apple products that did release in September, like the Apple Watch Ultra 3, which I have right here, and the AirPods Pro 3. And I'm going to also do a What's on my iPhone 17 Pro iOS 26 video probably here within the next few days as well. So look forward to that. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. It does help out a lot. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.